What's up you guys, it's Charles here. So for today's video we're going to do a vlog. So it's been a long time since I've done a vlog, so this is going to be another one of those first time vlogs. So we're going to go to an event called Concrete Mini Competition. So it is my event. So it's going to be held at Manila Skate Park. Let's go there, bro. I'm really excited for this event, and I'm really excited to see you guys there. So look at my eyes, I'm still a little bit sleepy, but I need to get up and go. So yeah, let's go. I'm on the way to the event. Let's go. So we just arrived here on MSP, and this is where we're going to do the event. Tangina yan na lang. Mukha mo na ako dyan.
Linggo bukas. Utang mo lang. Boss, dat nagputi ka.
Clip pa, clip patas. Wala. Tumikit yung ano, yung ano nose. Tumikit mo baba. Bago yung pa. Ayun o. Panis. Ang natanggalin mo nga itong gulungan hirap eh.
Ano mo ba mas kurong ngayon?
Paglalas ko rin dyan.
Bagong berry.
Oh, five mo!
Mini finger board na. Oh, kaninong bike to?
Kaya pala nandito.